Welcome to lecture number 10, How do I select my job title? For the purposes of this lecture, we are going to continue to use occupational code 1111. So if you go to your main page for your title, you'll see that they're going to give you a brief list of example titles. If you go through this list and you find that your job title is not listed there, what you're going to want to do is click on the link for View All Titles. Now this is going to take you through to a full list of all of the job titles that fall under this specific occupation code. So you're going to want to go through the list until you find your specific job title that matches what you do or any of the work experience that you have in the specified time frame of your immigration program. So for example, if you're looking under the federal skilled worker, you're going to want to look for any job titles that you've held in the past 10 years. If you find that your job title is not listed under your code, you may want to look at a different code to see if you would be classified elsewhere. If you're still having any issues, then you might want to go through again and just see if your occupation is referred to as something else in Canada. But most people are able to find their specific occupation on a list under one of the codes. So just go through it, make sure that you pick your job title, and then you'll want to go back to the main page here for the next lecture.